journey begins here. A bunch of friends decide to spend the day out, doing something fun and adventurous, but also healthy. How dare we try the Great Meiling, 841,000 millimeters above sea level. That's insane. That's crazy.
Exactly. Many stairs.
There are a lot.
In China, I think there's no mountain without stairs.
I don't think so. I'm already tired. And we're just starting? That's how unfit I am. Oh,
George,
so
I can't
bad.
believe that.
Guiding us.
Now we on top of the world, and that's just how we do. Used to say sky's the limit, now the sky's a point of view. We are at Meiling Mountain, so I'm here with Maya. Maya, how do you enjoy the trip so far?
I'm having fun. I'm having a lot of fun. I'm just so sweaty right now, so stop taking pictures. Most fun.
And then we're also here
Most fun
with Helena.
Most fun things is try to survive.
Trying to survive. You know,
Very funny.
she's the one who's always been worried about us coming here and they're not making it out of this place. So she's ready for anything that happens.
Yeah, I'm ready for
We're
everything.
also here with Sandra.
Hello.
Say something to the camera, please.
Glad to be here. I'm very excited. We are about to get to the top, so let's wait for it.
And we're also here with adults. Say something to the camera. You don't know what to say.
He's a shy boy.
Okay, he's a shy guy. And then behind the camera, we also have Mark. Yeah, the strong man. And then he's there flexing his muscles. Mark, can you say something for the camera?
Look, man. Strong as a man.
About halfway up, most, if not all of us, were tired and hungry. Not talking about mosquitoes. We definitely had to take a rest in order to apply some bug spray. We had to take a rest to fill up our stomachs in order to generate more energy to continue, and then get back on our journey to the top.
Oh, big aunt.
I think she will sit there.
I don't need you. I don't need you.
Walk and show with me.
Please get some rest.
Oh, just here.
Yeah, it's nice.
I've never seen a Rottweiler shy before.
是你们的？是。哇，张琳，好可爱，我知道。
Aww, Sunling the dog, also on a hiking trip with his owners. So cute.
But it's like so strong, eh? Vicious. It's like, I'm gonna get you.
Been up here for 1 hour 14 minutes now. We're almost there. Come again?
It's okay with yourself?
Yes, you've been very victorious.
Yeah, I think here is views will be more better.
Yeah. Are we allowed to go up? If they allow us to go up, I would want to go
You want to go upper?
up, yes, to the highest point.
Maniac.
So guys, this is, how do you read this? Gershien Tai. Beautiful Meiling. So this is the view from the top. We had an amazing day, and not only hiking, but feasting our eyes on waterfalls, thick forests, bugs mating, and of course, the magnificent view from the peak of the mountain. Hasta la vista, Meiling. We came, we saw, we conquered. Next challenge, Mount Everest. Comment down below if you think we can do it. If not, what should our next hiking challenge be?